Good evening, everyone. It's 8 p.m. Wednesday, August 7. It's Francie and Aracela, your TV host tonight. Let's take a look in the image. As you can see, it's the people who were arrested on the General Trias, Cavite on Wednesday evening for their alleged involvement in a voice phishing scam. Those people who were arrested was part of a big syndicate, and there's still someone bigger than them, whom they are still looking for. In the scam, the perpetrators call the intended victim and pretend to be a bank personnel and tell them that they can convert their credit card points into a cash. The scammer asks the victims to give them the money, one-time PIN provided by the banks, and the scammer used the PIN to clean out the victims' bank accounts. The PNP is not ruling out the possibility that the suspect could be conniving with someone from the bank. According to the PNP, ACG's investigation, the group has been operating since 2021 and has been earning around 5 million peso a month. The PNP will file a case against the suspect who were violating the Access Device Regulation Act. The PNP has received 99% of complaints on voice phishing from January to November 2023. Good evening, everyone. Francie and Aracela, your Philippines Integrated News.